Hi everyone, I'm making something very delicious today, and that's my keto deviled egg salad with bacon and relish. This salad is perfect to serve on holidays such as Easter and Thanksgiving, or in between during the summer season accompanied to bread. You can also use it on your sandwiches, or lettuce wraps. The list just goes on. We're going to use just a few kitchen ingredients. I am using medium-sized eggs, and we're going to boil this for about 8 to 10 minutes. I haven't tested this recipe with soft-boiled eggs, but feel free to give it a go if you like your eggs that way. Next, fry up the bacon. Add the boiled eggs to a medium-sized bowl. Next, use a fork to make the pieces smaller. Of course, you can always use your food processor for this. Add the onion, previously fried bacon, and the capers. Next, add the relish, chili powder, smoked paprika, mustard, sweetener. I use a sugar-free sweetener, but you can also use regular sugar if you don't have any dietary requirements. Proceed on to add the Greek yogurt. This keto deviled egg salad also uses no mayo. I know when you're on the keto diet or on a low-carb diet, we tend to want to eat the healthy fats, but sometimes it may be too much, when you're eating eggs and then mayo on top, or if you simply just don't like mayo, then this is something for you. This is a great alternative, as we are using Greek yogurt instead of the mayo. You can also make the recipe dairy-free by using coconut yogurt instead of the Greek yogurt, and this is also nice for those on a paleo diet. As a tip, should your keto deviled egg salad turn out too watery, simply add 1 or 2 more boiled eggs. That will fix it. You can serve it immediately or allow it to chill so the flavors come together for at least 1 hour. You can also make the recipe vegan by replacing the boiled eggs with smoked tofu. For those interested in the printable recipe card, I'm going to link it in the description box below. The egg salad will keep in the fridge for 2 to 4 days. I do not advise freezing it because egg salads tend to get watery and soggy once thawed, and yeah, the taste won't just be the same. Thank you very much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe. I'm so glad you watched, and bye bye.